Whoa! Wow.
This is God's medicine. On the metric system scale, I'm sorry, I'm gonna give this.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Yo, welcome back to Snapshot. Amaretto is one of my absolute favorite liqueurs, and yes, liqueurs, not liquors. And that is why I am so excited to do 3 Amaretto-based shooters. This right here is the Midnight Oil. We build the whole thing right in our shooter glass. We've got 1.5 ounces of Amaretto and 1/2 ounce of Jägermeister. And one of the coolest things about this, it's not layered, right, the way that a layered shot would be. The lighter Amaretto stays towards the bottom, the Jaeger stays on top, so you kind of have a cool gradient of colors. This one's not going to be cold, obviously. It might not be as smooth going down.
It really looks like Midnight Oil. Smells a little off. That is delicious. Dare I say beautiful? It's a little bit thick, I think, because of the Jägermeister. The blend together, I really do feel like this is a type of drink. You're burning the midnight oil. You want something delicious in your life. This is God's medicine. I give this is shocking. This is very delicious. 9.3.
Wow. We have a new personal record. That is the highest score he has given yet. I like it. 9.3 is way too high for me, but I do like it. I love Amaretto. It is the kind of thing that in the wintertime might put some hair on your chest. Dickey here has been asking me to make a drink for him for a long time, and I thought it would only be fitting to make a drink for him after I made a drink for myself. So this here, y'all, this is the Red Snapper. 1 ounce of Crown Royal, because as we all know, I wear the crown around here. 1 ounce of Amaretto, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice.
I don't mind this. I'll tell you this. I don't think I like Crown Royale. On the metric system scale, I'm sorry, I'm going to give this a 5.1.
Whoa! Wow. I would definitely go higher than a 5.1. I don't love it. It's not my favorite drink, but I would definitely be above that 5.1. If you tried this drink, let us know in the comments. Do you go above or below that 5.1 rating? Especially because this drink is for me. Ladies and gentlemen, this right here is the best Amaretto shooter that there is. This is the Screaming Pleasure. 1 ounce of Bailey's into the shaker. 1 ounce of vodka right into the shaker. And 1 ounce of Amaretto almond liqueur.
Shake it. According to the data that we have in front of us, this is going to be ranked as a decent drink. Now, does it look like goat's milk? Yes. And I'm highly suspicious of everything that's going on here. But will I try it according to the data that we have from you viewers? Yes.
It's a strong drink, but you don't feel how strong it is. The creaminess of the Bailey's with, I guess, the taste of it. The taste of the Amaretto. Delicious. And the vodka's kind of in the background, so it's like this hidden strength that goes with the drink. I'm impressed.
It does remind me of Christmas when I was 12. It just reminds me of being in near a warm fireplace. There's a moose outside just beckoning. This is gorgeous. 8.7. This is so delicious for one. I don't think I could have more than one. This is delicious.
I think that is right within the range. Are you trying to steal my drink from me?
Please like and subscribe.
And y'all, if you're going to enjoy a screaming pleasure or really anything else, please just do so responsibly. Cheers. Take care until next time.